How to create or join a private server in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply log into your Roblox account, then select any particular game over here. Suppose I want to join a private server in Steal a Brain Rot, or I want to create one. So I would just simply click on it. After that, when I scroll down, I would be able to find this option of servers over here. Simply select it. Then wait for it to load. After that, you would require 79 Robux in order to create a private server. And here you get the option to create one. Simply click on it. And if you have 79 Robux, you would be able to create a private server quite easily. And if you want to join someone else's private server, simply scroll down. And over here, you get different options where people have created private servers. You can join here. Most of these groups are full and you can simply turn the settings to ascending, and this way you would be able to find the empty servers and you can simply join them. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.